Well, it's hard to imagine having a titanium screw like this fastened in the base of your spine. An Omaha man will tell you that procedure has given him his life back again. And a big part of the story is how that screw was inserted. Bob Hardy has always loved the outdoors, but an injury to his lower back caused him to give up golf, hunting, and most other activities that he enjoys.
I basically took pain medication, went to work, and then went home.
Hardy had a temporary fix with back surgery about 10 years ago, and his hope was that in time, new technology would give him a more permanent solution. He found it through Dr. Peter Lennerson at the Nebraska Medical Center. This x-ray illustrates the problem.
You can see here where this has collapsed, and these are normal looking discs. This disc is flatter, so it's like a pancake here. We get in here, clean out this disc, put in this in a way that it jacks it back open a little bit.
The method used to make that repair is unique, and it was first used about 4 years ago.
Most fusions either require a big incision in the back, occasionally a big incision in the abdomen, and this is done through a small little incision by the tailbone, and then literally an incision this big.
Through that narrow opening, the surgeon's able to drill out the disc that needs to be repaired, fill it with bone graft material, and then insert the titanium screw that fuses the spine. The procedure requires great skill by the surgeon, and the less invasive surgery is a huge benefit for the patient.
As far as back surgery goes, I had a patient that stands on their feet all day cutting hair, go back in 2 weeks.
In Bob Hardy's case, who had not been able to swing a golf club since 2008, Dr. Lennerson told him it would be wise to wait a year after surgery before heading out to the golf course again. So he put a mark on his calendar. This is Terra Hills Golf Course. 1 year ago today, Bob was on the operating table. They said you might be able to play golf in 1 year's time. Here you are.
Here I am. Absolutely. Absolutely. I've been marking the calendar every day.
Let's see what you can do.
All right.
Hi.
Oh, sweet. Absolutely. I do. I feel like I got my life back.
Tell you what, Bob Hardy nailed that one. He says he has his life back, and there are really only 2 surgeons in the Omaha area who perform this type of surgery with that small incision. Dr. Lennerson points out that only certain patients are candidates for the procedure. And by the way, it's Bob's first round since 2008. Hadn't touched a golf club. He shot a 92, which is a very good score.
And you can tell how excited he was to
just
be out there and be enjoying something that he loves so much again. But, going through, he's got that metal screw in his back. Can he go through things like airport security and all that okay?
Well, you wonder, yeah. And, I mean, the screw is this big and everything, but he says, nope, it's not been a problem. I get it's titanium, so maybe that's the difference.
Right. And he's got his life back, so what more can you ask for than that?
He's playing golf again.
Well, later on the Channel 6 News, we will call